Congrats on becoming the proud owner of the Limerick PJ's Comfort, the FDA's highest safety-rated, hospital-grade breast pump, and the only one with a compression and vacuum action that simulates your baby's natural nursing pattern. Before you get started, make sure to clean anything that will come in contact with your milk. The only things that need to be sanitized, however, are your soft-touch breast cup assembly, bottle caps, bottle sealers, called gaskets, and the bottles themselves. Everything else can be wiped down with a good antibacterial detergent. No need to sanitize the filter and tubing since it doesn't come in contact with your milk. Also, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before handling the newly sanitized parts. Check out our video called Daily Sanitizing for more details. Okay, let's begin. Press down on the cycle speed button to turn on your pump. You'll hear a muted flutter sound as lights 1 through 20 light up. Now, hold the soft touch breast cups together. Initially, the cups will pulsate, then collapse and inflate as you increase the vacuum. Remember, always press the cups together before use just to be sure everything's working fine. Okay, just shut off the pump and you're ready to begin. Place the cups on your breasts, making sure to center your nipples in the tunnel of each cup. Then, slide your arm under the tubing, supporting one cup with your forearm and the other with your hand. Now you've got one hand free to turn on the pump. Push down on the cycle speed knob to turn it on. You should begin to feel a very gentle, flutter-like sensation, similar to that of your baby nursing. The cycle speed knob also simulates the rhythm of your baby's sucking pattern. Its default and most comfortable setting is 30. It's best to leave it there until you settle on your preferred vacuum setting, which may take you a few sessions to establish. If, after several uses, the cycle still feels too fast, just turn it down in small increments, as little movements can make a big difference. The goal is to match your baby's natural pattern. The vacuum strength knob controls the strength of both the suction and compression. For this knob, the lower the number, the weaker the suction, with 1 being the lowest and 30 being the highest. That's when both the 10 and 20 lights are lit up. When the pump first starts, you'll feel a flutter-like sensation. The pump's most comfortable setting, meant to mimic your baby's flutter suck, which stimulates your letdown reflex. That's when the milk starts to flow from your breast. It may start with a few drops before you see a flow, and it may take a minute or two before you see milk. It's always better to wait a couple of minutes before increasing the level. But remember, just like with the cycle speed knob, when you do, it should always be in small increments. Most new moms prefer it between 6 and 10. Bottom line, it should be comfortable for you, so just adjust the knob slowly to what feels right. Once you've adjusted everything to your satisfaction, the recommended pump time is about 15 to 20 minutes. When you're finished, it's usually best to turn the pump off first. That prevents the milk from backflowing into the tubing and filter. Then, leaning forward, remove your breast cups and place them in the bottle holders. Now, disconnect the tubes and let them hang loose. You might see some condensation in the tubing. That's usually caused by a difference between your body's and the room's temperature. To dry out the tubes, just use your pump's drying mode. Turn the pump back on, then press down on the same knob for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see the number 5 LED light up. When it does, release the knob. The number 5 LED will blink. Press down on the cycle speed knob once more. No need to hold it down this time. Drying mode will begin. The pump will automatically shut off after 5 minutes. Questions? We're here for you.